Hello, today I'd like to show you how to make some interesting rhythmic effects with some audio samples that you might have recorded. To provide a bit of structure and context to the rhythmic effects, there's a kick, a second kick, an interesting clap sound, and an espresso shaker pod that I showed in an earlier video, as well as some nice additional percussive sounds. This is a more melodic sound, a sampler instrument I made using a sampled kalimba. It'll work well within the context of the rhythmic effects. So for the sounds that we're going to change, here we have some percussion made with the Korg Minilog. This is actually the sound of a dumbbell rotating. Here are some birds. And this is a sampler instrument made with my viola. So to create the rhythmic effect, make sure that all these channels are sent to a bus, in this case C, and make sure the audio is sends only. Make sure that that bus channel is routed back to an audio track. Within the audio track, make a utility plugin, and then you have to create blank scenes. These will hold the rhythmic information. Within each blank scene, you can draw manually the automation of the gain of the utility plugin. This will make the volume change over time in whichever pattern that you draw. Here are a few examples. It gives some really interesting character to it. Add that back to the percussion originally recorded. And you get some really nice detailed percussive sound design. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think.